Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, we're back at it. Well, I got to correct myself. I'm back at it. My better half has some other duties, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can, you know, while I can, in between raindrops. Been a hell of a week. Started raining last Saturday, and it's been off and on showers ever since, and this is Wednesday. So, working in between the raindrops, I'll show you what I've been up to. And as you can see, we finished the wall studding. This here is a kitchen window, and then a little further the bathroom window, then a little further bedroom window. Now I've started, yeah, you can see there's still standing water up here. Rain last night. I've started the sheathing. I've got one piece down. Hoping, the first one seems to me to be is always the worst, because you're making sure it's square and everything else. And I think you can see where I've put a line all the way from that end all the way to the other end to make sure I'm going down the wall straight. On top of that, I've got blocks here on the deck, another straight line, just to make sure that the wall is straight before I even start. So again, what I'm doing is running the 4-foot piece across the top, and then on the bottom the 4-foot piece will hang over about 2 inches. And again, that's so I can secure it down to the sill. The other things I'm doing, I don't know if you could see my pony clamp there. For you old timers, you might remember these. I don't know if I've seen them for sale anymore. Maybe they are. But it's simply a piece of 1-inch pipe threaded on one end, this end here, and this screws on and this end slides. They got more modern things now, and what I'm doing is, once I've lined the panel on the line and secured the corner, because obviously you're supposed to have an 1/8 in between these panels. That's what I'm using, is a nail. And on the other edge of the panel, it's already built right into the panel, a little hump that keeps the panels spread apart far enough. So what the pony clamp's doing is making sure that everything in the middle, that there's no bows in these studs. And I'm making sure that the center of the studs line right up on the 2-foot mark. Had a little trouble with my nail gun. Had the wrong nails. I guess I had, the nail had all the looks of being the right nail, but the head was too big. Wouldn't go through the gun. And dealer told me, he says, well, that's because you got a framing nail. I said, a framing nail? These are just little teeny nails. He says, no, they're meant for a framing gun. I said, all right. So anyway, I got some different nails and they work fine. Okay, I've mentioned the wall is 48 feet long. That means it's going to take, let's see, 6 of these panels to go down one row. So anyway, stay with me, and I'll probably put it on fast motion anyway when it's all done. That's all of them nailed down. There's a couple panels that look like they're sticking up, but that's because the seams are right over a window opening and there's no place to nail them. So that section will be cut out. Okay, so thanks for watching. It's been kind of a long day. I didn't stop till I got them all done. So anyway, give me a like, thumbs up, you know. I sure could use some more subscribers. Tell your friends. Anyway, taping, I'll do the taping tomorrow and finish this up. So thanks again for watching, and God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.